Determine whether the infinite geometric series has a limit. If the limit exists, find it. The series is 1,000 plus 80 plus $6.40 plus etc. So let's identify R. R would be equal to 80 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 0.08. That's clearly less than 1, and therefore the limit does exist. The formula for the limit, the sum to infinity is equal to a sub 1 divided by 1 minus r. Now, a sub 1 for our purposes is 1,000. R is 0.8, so that's 1 minus 0.08. That would be equal to 1,000 divided by 0.92. And when you perform that division using a calculator, if you want, you would find that it adds up to $1,086.96. So that would be the limit.